Today we're teaching Timmy how to use his new laser. Say hello to the folks at home, Timmy. Trying to run your laser device but don't know how?
Tell me about it.
First you'll want to power on your laser device.
Well, I don't know how to do that, mister.
Let's begin. First you'll want to power on your laser device. Power it on, Timmy. No, not that one. Perfect. Make sure all the tubes are connected, water and air.
Looks good to me, mister.
Perfect. Now you can watch your laser home properly.
Whoa! It's doing something.
Pick your material and place it in the machine. No, not that one. Perfect. Now stay focused, Timmy. It's time to focus your laser to the material you have chosen. If you have a Muse 3D, this will happen automatically. If you have a core, you'll need to manually focus. Open the software via inputting the IP address broadcasted from your laser into your browser.
Those are a lot of big words, mister.
Look at the colorful rectangle on the other big rectangle machine and find the numbers. And then put those same numbers inside of the internet.
Oh!
Perfect. Now we are connected. Let's find a design. Now we have chose a design. Simply drag and drop a saved image from your preferred search engine. This will be your raster, or otherwise known as engraving. Now we'll grab the rectangle tool and put it around that engraving.
But why, mister?
Don't you want to cut this out afterwards, Timmy?
Boy, do I!
So back in the software, use the design element to drag a rectangle around your design. Now that your design is ready, we'll need to select our power settings. One for our engraving, and one for our vector cut. Now we're ready to hit play. Finally, we can watch the marvelous magic of modern-day technology. There you have it, Timmy. A beautiful sign for your mother.
She's gonna love it. I was wondering though, can it do tumblers?
Ha ha ha. Of course it does, sport. And it also does leather, paper, wood, acrylic, plastics, fabric, jeans, rabbits, ceramics, tiles, rocks, shoes, hats, food, baseball bat. Uh-oh. Looks like we'll need another Timmy.